The O-ring seals your grinder's spindle lock to the gearbox housing. The O-ring fits around the lock pin, sealing it to the housing. If the O-ring breaks, oil can leak around the pin. Replacing the O-ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the grinder's spindle assembly. With the spindle removed, now I can use a punch to remove the lock pin from the lock cap. I'll compress the spring and then tap the pin away from the cap. With the lock pin removed, now I can replace the O-ring. I'll use a pick to remove the old O-ring. And I'll slide the new O-ring onto the lock pin. Now I can reinstall the locking pin back into the housing. I'll place a small socket over the pin to support it while I install the spring and the cap. I place the spring over the lock pin and align the hole in the cap with the pin and tap it into place with a hammer. Now I can reinstall the spindle assembly. I'll align it so the tab is pointing towards the back of the grinder. And I'll secure it with the screws. And now you know how to replace the O-ring in your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.